Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shwakar Ali. This is the ninth video of Chat App series. So in this video we will design our main activity. I mean home activity. So first of all open our main activity and here we will remove this text view and change this constraint layout into drawer layout. Okay, now give the ID. Okay. Now we will add our navigation view. Inside this drawer layout we will add our navigation view. So select navigation, match parent and give the ID nav view and select the gravity Android layout gravity and select here start. Okay, now here we will add our constraint layout where we will add our other stuff. So select match parent and close it. Inside this our constraint layout we will add our app bar. So include here select layout. Our app bar is already created, just need to import here and select the ID. So I'll simply select app bar. Press Alt Control L. Okay, now here we will add our edit text. So select here match parent, wrap content and give the ID, input, add post and close it. Okay, now go to our design and select edit text and add the constraint at the bottom of the app bar. So select a margin from top is 8 dp, add the constraint from the right and margin from right is 16 dp. Now add the constraint from the left and add the margin from the left is 16 dp. Okay. Now select the hint. I will type here, write something here. Okay, now we will add background. So I will create a custom background. So right click on drawable new and select drawable resource file. So here select input, add post background and click OK. Now first select here item and now select here shape. Select here corner, radius will be 6 dp. Now select stroke, color will be gray. Now width will be 1 dp. Okay, now go to main activity again and here select background. Okay, now select here input, add post background. Okay, now select the padding. I will add the padding from start will be 20 dp, top from 10 dp, bottom from 10 dp and right is also 10 dp. Okay, now select the image view. Before selecting the image view we need to create a vector asset. So right click new and select a vector asset and here select image. I select this one and change this IC add post image. Next and finish. Now select that this one. Okay, now change the color into tint into color gray. Okay, now inside this main activity, here we will add image view and select that IC add post image. Okay, zoom a little bit and add the constraint here, bottom of edit text, top to the top of the edit text, and left to the left of this edit text. Okay, now select here 50. Make sure you have selected 50. Okay, now select the margin from left is 24. I think it's enough. Not 24, little bit 16 dp. Yeah, it's good. Now we will add the width and height. Width will be and decrease the margin from left is into ADP and select the padding of this edit text. Padding from left and change the padding from left to 50 dp. Okay, now we will add another add button. So I will add a button I already created here. You can see here send button. So I'll copy and paste it inside over drawable. Okay, now again select image view and select a button that is send button. Okay, now select this button and change the width and height into 35 dp. Okay, now add the constraint bottom, top and right and select a margin from right to 24, not 24, it's 16 dp, not 16 dp, it's 8 dp. Yeah, it's good, 8 dp. So I'll give the ID send post image view and this one add image post. Okay, now run the application and let's see either over drawer and these edit text are added or not. Okay, now you can see here over edit text and image send button are added successfully. So we will add a recycler view here. Now go to over text and under this edit text we will add a recycler view. Recycler view that is match parent and give the ID recycler. Okay, now close it. Now go to design and select a recycler view. Add the constraint right, bottom and left. Okay, now change it into match parent and again match parent. You can see here. Select a margin from top is 8 dp enough and change the background into gray color. So I'll simply select here background color gray. Okay, now run the application. Okay, you can see here our main activity is ready. So if we swipe from right to left, you can see here navigation drawer is added. So in the next video we will add menu and header to our navigation view. So please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.